Watching some YouTube, just chilling out. It's too fucking hot today. Decided it's too hot. Uploading some files to Dropbox so then I can download them from Dropbox to my phone to put on a site that I use called Rabadabba. It's awesome. I was just on my way home. Hang on, let me check my sports thing. It's 25 to 11 at the moment. I was just walking home. Our local pharmacy, all the alarm, like, lights were on, alarm was going, like, I don't know whether someone was breaking in or what, so the police were called, and they're going to send someone to go and have a look, and it's just really bizarre. It doesn't normally happen yeah, I didn't want to get too close in case someone was in there, but, you know, they're going to go and have a look and just to see what's going on, so yeah.